Hi all, hope you're all well. Mixed bag today. We've got a conifer over by our garage. It's getting a bit too tall, covering the garage a bit too much and covering the house a bit too much as well. So we want some light to come in. So we're going to reduce that by about a third. Then after that we've got a bay bush underneath that conifer and we're going to trim all that back. We've got a new set of potatoes to go in, so a new crop of potatoes. We've got some spring onion going in, we've got some Swiss chard going in, and maybe if we've got time we'll try and whiz around with a mower, but we're dog sitting at the moment, so I don't want to start mowing any unidentified objects, if you know what I mean.
I mean, are we like going to...
So as you saw, we faced off the bay, we've topped off the conifer. I've also taken a few extra boughs off the conifer here to allow this variegated bush to come up and give a bit more colour to this area. That's quite a nice shape. Just let the top grow out and then we can shape the top. So we've got a few gaps, a couple here and one over there, where we've harvested other crops. Well, here we've harvested other crops. Over there it's because the squash died. Don't know why, but doing really well in the compost. The ones actually planted, we got two little ones about that big, the rest just died off. So I've got an area there I can use, and as I say, got an area here I can use. So what I'm going to put in, I've got some chard, got a few more cabbage and spring onions. So as we've had success with these cabbages, I thought I'd put some more in. Go with what works well. Oh, a little bonus. Just found a few shallots. Can use those up. They'll be on the dinner table tomorrow. This is quite a bizarre situation. The soil is so fine. I didn't realise, because I'd harvested this area, I hadn't watered it for weeks and weeks. So it's so fine and dry that it's actually forming a layer that the moisture or water can't get into, which is really bizarre. Someone who knows about physics can tell me what it is, but I've emptied about 10 litres of water on this small area, and if you dig down, look, it is bone dry underneath. It's just the surface has taken the water and it hasn't gone any further down. That is so bizarre. Look, it's dry, bone dry, about an inch down. Don't know if you can see this. Look, that's literally a couple of mil down and it's bone dry. So where's that water gone? It's like the surface area has just absorbed it, and it's only a few mil of the surface area because the soil is so fine. I'd like to know why, so maybe you can get back to me. So basically I was running out of space in my bed over there, my vegetable patch, and I'd previously put some tomatoes and bits and bobs down here that didn't really do well. So I'm going to try these cabbages in the flower bed and see what works. And they're all in. So next it's seed potatoes. So I've got Charlotte's here, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we should get a crop around Christmas. So I'm going to put 2 in each. So they're watered in. There's only a small amount of soil in each. I'll wait till the heads pop up and then keep filling with soil and gradually build up the soil as the plants grow. So thanks everyone, thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe, it really does help. We're trying to get things more prepared for autumn and winter. Sad to say that, but you know, that's where we are now. We've got a lovely warm day today, but it is changing. So we've got to start crossing off some of those tasks. So we, oh, ow! God, someone just bit me. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so we can cross off some of those tasks, and the more we can cross off each week, each month, the easier it gets. So, thanks for joining us. As I said, please like, subscribe, and do what makes you happy, and we'll catch you next time.